Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to talk about food and drinks in English. Let's get started. Here are some useful phrases. My favorite food is, I like, I love, I usually drink, I enjoy eating. These phrases will help you talk about your food preferences naturally. Let's look at some examples. My favorite food is pizza. I love spicy food. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I enjoy eating fruit after dinner. These are simple and natural ways to talk about food and drinks. Now it's your turn. What is your favorite food? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Try answering these questions in English. Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.